Rihanna has called for Donald Trump to stop using her music at his rallies. The Disturbia hitmaker was fuming when she realized the U.S. president had been playing Don't Stop the Music at a rally in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Responding to a man who revealed that Trump was using her music, she wrote, "Not for much longer. Me nor my people would ever be at or around one of those tragic rallies. So thanks for the heads up, Philip." And the Barbados beauty is not the first person to stop Trump from using their music, as Pharrell Williams' lawyer recently sent a cease-and-desist letter to Trump after he played Happy at a political rally in Indiana last week, just hours after a mass shooting at a synagogue in Pittsburgh. And Aerosmith's Steven Tyler was left unimpressed when Trump played Living on the Edge at a rally 3 years later after he had been issued a warning for using Dream On at campaign rallies while looking to be elected. If you like and subscribe to our videos, there's a chance your favorite celebrity will follow you on Twitter. We can't prove that, but we're saying there's a chance.